Do you recognize the packaging? Madam Glam sent me more polishes, guys, and they're so pretty. Hey nail tubers, what is up Nailification Squad, and hello to everyone who is new to the channel. I welcome you and hope you enjoy today's nail design. It's bright, fun, and colorful. So I decided to do a bougie nails on a budget with them. A couple of things. For press-on nails, you do want to start with either etching the nails, going over it with a sanding band to create an adhesive surface for the polish, or you can go in with a base coat. Just so you know, I didn't do either and just started right into the polish and design because let me tell you, I'm recording on crunch time with my work hours, but I definitely wanted to start including gel polish in this series, so these came at a really good time. I started with what appears to be a white, but it's actually a cream color by Azure Beauty, and I'm just using it for background. Now, I was so into it by the time I finished the other ones that I'm already wearing, and I totally forgot that I wanted to make these a different color. So I cleaned off the white from the thumb and index since I hadn't cured them yet. I decided on these three Madam Glam colors because I had already used a green in the first set that I did, and if you haven't seen it, there should be a link above. Madam Glam polishes are very rich and creamy and definitely have potential for one coat coverage as they're strongly colored and polish on so smoothly. Now, because it has somewhat of a thicker viscosity, I would suggest to always do thin layers for the best results. I didn't remember doing white nails yet, and I also love the swirl-like designs that are trending right now. I didn't have any particular pattern in mind and just let it flow. And as much as I love Bling, I decided to let the colors make a statement. But I did add some matte finish because you know how I feel about matte. I enjoy working with Madam Glam polishes, and you can too by using my discount code PICUColor30 for 30% savings on your purchase. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned that I cure each layer for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp, and the same for each color I place. I have many more design ideas in mind, so have you subscribed yet? You should, so you don't miss anything else. Speaking of which, I started a series called Affordable Amazon Nail Haul Try It With Me, where I do a review on a fairly priced item, then one of you is gifted with that same item for you to also get a chance to review that product. And the first one is already up, guys, where I reviewed those pre-colored nails. Then Nails with Nena received a package of them and has already done her review too. So remember to check out what she had to say and see the adorable design she did. We were so excited over this. Then, as of this first time, I came up with the idea to create a playlist and also do community posts to make it possible for anyone to participate. The playlist will be there as a reference for you whenever you want to know what any of us on this channel shared about a product. Isn't that awesome? I was loving on how these were turning out. They absolutely give me summertime vibes. This design was so easy to do and looks so amazing. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed this, so remember to join our NailTube family and hit that nailification bell so you'll be notified when there's an upload. I can't wait to see you next time. Much love.